Hello there, guys. So I'm back as promised, and I just wanted to come on here and share my vendor space with you guys. One thing that we incorporated late last year was a 3D printer at our tables. We invested in this Bambu Labs A1 Mini. I would say September of last year. We caught it on sale at Micro Center. And since then, we do not attend any event without a 3D printer. So one thing that we definitely learned throughout the years is less is more. So not over cluttering our tables is something that we've learned has worked for us, especially with our 3D printing. It's a lot going on with 3D printing and people get excited with it right away. So if we have less on the table, it gives people an opportunity to kind of catch everything. So here at this table, we only have our printer and our 3D printed keychains. And I'm actually going to bring over our business cards to this side. This way, kind of comes together. What I did differently today was I kept my designs together, which I really like this idea. So I have all of my dino stuff up here. And this is all FlexiFactory's design. On the second shelf, I kept more of the palm size fidget products up here. Down here is becoming one of my favorites. RodMusic designed some really cool cars or automobiles, let's say. And these guys are the cutest. Look at this. They come with their own accessories. Oh, man down. Man down. Sit you down, buddy. Oh, here you go. He drunk. We have some Eastman and PipeCox. This is a little bad boy here. So if you know, you know. I can't share it on here. But he's peeking, and if you have a good imagination, you would know what this guy does. But enough of that. Look at these beautiful Eastman creations. Then we have shelves full of the infamous dragons. And the dragons we hold right now are all by Cinderway. And at the table opposite of our printer, we have our 3D printed canters and vases and wine bottle holders. So these potters here are all designed by PipeCox. These guys. This wine bottle holder is made or designed by KeKreations. Then we have some FlexiFactory. More FlexiFactory. And some JeDoVi designs. And then lastly, we have our little nook of crochet, which is hooked by JeDoVi. These little chickens are super popular everywhere we go. Here is our booth at the Trenton Farmers Market. I hope you liked